To make Christmas decorations in the shape of stars, we need 7 breakfast bags, glue, scissors, a pencil, and a piece of ribbon.
Christmas window stars. We will need 7 breakfast bags, which we glue together, back to back, and along the middle we draw a triangle shape and cut out the outer edges. At the end, we attach a ribbon in the middle and glue two ends together, unfolding. The result is a star which we hang on a window or a wall. May the Christmas season fill your home with family and friends, your heart with love, and your life with happiness.
We wish you a peaceful and joyful Christmas and a prosperous New Year.